Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello puppies, hope you enjoy your holiday. This is Ms. Adeleke AB, Primary 4 Mathematics teacher. I want to welcome you to e-learning portal and wish you Ramadan Mubarak. I want you to get your writing materials, your pencil, your pen, and your exercise book because we are starting third term work. As for revision, we have been doing that in our assignment module. The revision of previous terms work. So as our culture, let us look at the scheme of work for this term. For first week, we are having open sentences. We are going to find the missing number in open sentences, what problem on open sentences. For second week, we are having binary number system, writing in base 10 and base 2, addition in base 2, subtraction in base 2, and multiplication in base 2. For third week, we are having profit and loss. We are going to find profit and loss percent. For fourth week, we are having simple interest. We are going to find interest, principal, time, rate, and amount. For fifth week, we are having commission and discounts. We are going to look at some terms under commission and discounts, find the commission and percentage commission. We are going to find the discounts, discount percent, and amount paid. For sixth week, we are looking at lengths. Under that, we are going to find perimeter and circumference. So we are going to find perimeter of regular and irregular shapes. Perimeter of a rectangle using formula, circumference of a circle. For seventh week, we are looking at area of a right angle triangle. We are going to find the area of a triangle, base, height, and of a triangle. For eighth week, we are looking at volume of cubes, cuboids, and volume of a sphere of radius r. For ninth week, we are looking at average speed. We are going to find the average speed, distance, and time. So for this week, our topic is open sentences. When we said open sentence in mathematics, what does it mean? An open sentence means mathematical statement which contains an unknown number which we want to find. Underline the word unknown. The word unknown means what you are looking for, what you want to find. You know, you can represent it by letters, any letters, maybe A, B, C, and so on. You can represent it with a shape, maybe square, maybe triangle. When we said open sentences, it's just like we want to maintain balance. It looks like we want to maintain balance. How do we do that? If we want to maintain balance, is that we add the same number to both sides, or we subtract the same number from both sides. We can multiply both sides by the same number. We can divide both sides by the same non-zero number. It depends on the question given to us. So if you are given, in your question, if you have subtract, if you are to subtract, it means to maintain that balance, you add the same number to both sides. If you are given addition, if you are to add, if you are given addition sign, it means you are going to subtract the same number from both sides. If you are given multiplication, it means you are going to divide both sides by the same number. If you are given division, it means you are going to multiply both sides by the same number. So let us look at examples. Let us look at the example. Find the missing numbers. Example 1. Box plus 48 is equal to 67. Look at this one. You can see you are given addition. To maintain balance, you subtract 48 from both sides. Box plus 48 minus 48 is equal to 67 minus 48. Your plus 48 minus 48 will cancel each other, because it's just like you have 48 naira and you owe somebody 48 naira. When you pay that money, you have nothing left. So your box will be 67 minus 48, and that one will give you 19. Looking at the second example, you have triangle minus 23 whole number 2 over 3 is equal to 19 whole number 1 over 2. Here you can see you have minus sign. For this, you are going to add 23 whole number 2 over 3 to both sides. Triangle minus 23 whole number 2 over 3 plus 23 whole number 2 over 3 is equal to 19 whole number 1 over 2 plus 23 whole number 2 over 3. So your triangle now will be your minus 23 whole number 2 over 3 plus 23 whole number 2 over 3 will cancel each other. You have 23 whole number 2 over 3 and you owe somebody 23 whole number 2 over 3. When you pay it, you have nothing left. So you have your triangle to be 19 whole number 1 over 2 plus 23 whole number 2 over 3. So your triangle now, to get your triangle, you are going to find the LCM. That will be your, look at your denominator. You have 2 and 3 as your denominator. You find the LCM of 2 and 3, that will give you 6. How many 3? How many 2 and 6? That one will give you 3. You multiply it by 1 up. That will give you 3. Plus, how many 3 and 6? That one will give you 2. Multiply by 2 up. That one will give you 4. Then you add your 19 plus 23. Your whole number, 19 and 23. Your whole number, you add it together, it will give you 42. So you have 42 whole number, 7 all over 6. 7 cannot sit down on 6. That will be 42 plus how many 6 and 7? That is 1. It remains 1 all over 6. Add your 42 plus 1. That will be 43 whole number 1 over 6. For example 3, you are given 13 times y is equal to 195. Look at this. You are given multiplication. It means to balance, you are going to do what? You are going to divide. You first of all multiply your 13 by y. That will give you 13y is equal to 195. Now, what are you going to do now? You are going to divide both sides by coefficient of y, and that is 13. That will be 13y all over 13 is equal to 195 all over 13. Your y now, your 13 will cancel 13. Your y now will be 195 over 13. How many 13 are in 195? That one will give you 15. Therefore, your y, which is unknown that you are looking for, will be 15. For example 4, you have u divided by 53 is equal to 26. Look at it. Your u is your what? Your no. Here, you can rewrite. You can rewrite your u divided by 53 as u all over 53 is equal to 26. You know, I told you when you have division, what are you going to do? You multiply both sides by the same number. Now, you are going to multiply u all over 53 times 53 is equal to 26 times 53. You can see your u now, your 53 will cancel 53 and your u will be 26 times 53. You can arrange down one, you can put your 26 up, 53 down, you multiply. When you multiply, you are going to get 1, 3, 7, 8. So your u now, which is your unknown, will be what? 1, 3, 7, 8. So that is the end of our first lesson in open sentence. If you have any question, you can ask. Is there any question? Ask your question if you have any question. So for the assignments, for the homework, go and check your assignment module. Check your assignment module. You will see your homework there. You are going to type, you are going to do your workings in the space provided for the solution and you submit. You can submit your assignments. If you have any question, you can ask. You can text, message to me and I will answer you, inshallah. So that is the end of our first lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.